Hello everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Emma and I'm the artist behind Unsteady Art. So this week's video is going to be a lot different, and it's because it's something that started off in May. So I've been going on about Remy thread counts quite a bit with the commissions that's going on, and we're now ready to release the footage. So over this week, maybe next few weeks, it'll be the gradual introduction with them. I'm having to do it now because I've got so much work to do. I physically cannot record new content. Just impossible. It is brilliant that everybody is helping me out, and I'm over the moon for that. But I still want to bring footage to you guys, keeping you up to date. So this is basically what I started with Remy's. So the digitising, the printing, and then I moved on to hats. I've done stickers, so there's going to be lots of fun stuff. So yeah, let's go on with it. everyone. So I've been working on a commission for Remy's in Leeds. Seems like Flash wants to go upstairs. And I've had to keep it hush hush for a while. I'm actually recording this as I'm doing it, but it won't be until at least a month, 2 months by the time he releases it. So this will go out after. So I've done the first test stitch. Little things went wrong, mainly on the digitisation. I did all of 3 hours on it and it vanished. Just crashed, went white and no work left. So I redid it the following day, doing the test print today because it will be coming around later on to see this. So this is the first test out. So I've purposely put the masking tape over the branding because obviously it's second-hand stuff that I use for testing. So there is a lot that needs sort of shifting and altering. So where the heart is, you'll see the fact that it's shifted out slightly. That bit's a bit bulbous, and to say that everything else is quite flat, I'm going to have to try and figure that one out. It has spread downwards a bit and across that way. So just a little bit of alterations to the colours at the back, so the blue and the red. And hopefully we can get them in line for the next print out. So yeah, I'll talk to you later on that one. So bye. Hello again everyone. So I'm going to quickly record this because this video is going way too long and I've got so much more to show you. So there is going to be a part 2. So at the moment I have done, on this video, done the tester, I've done the digitising, I've changed the colours so I could order more, and yeah, so next week is going to be the actual garments, seeing how that went, and maybe some more. So if you did like this, please like, subscribe, comment. Love to hear what you think. And yeah, let's wait till part 2 for next week. Bye. Say bye, Flash. No, he's sleeping.